Boom, what is up, everybody? So inside of today's video, we're going to be reviewing Freelancer Secrets, Creating Your Laptop Life with Julie Stoyan. And we're going to be reviewing if this is, if it's any good, what are the benefits, what do you get out of it? And at the end of the day, I want you guys to stick up with me all the way up until the very end, because I'm going to show you guys how to get this for $1 for 2 weeks. So if you're ready, let's get right into the video. So when you're going into the free training, so this is what you're going to see first when you opt into a Freelancer Secrets funnel. And this is a completely free training, on-demand training, no cost. You guys will get a 48-hour pass to watch the training. This training, I believe, was done at Funnel Hacking Live. So, and it's honestly not that bad. So I'm going to link this at the bottom of this video so you guys can go watch it, register for yourself. And what this training teaches you is how Julie went from a stay-at-home mom to a full-time freelance marketer, freelance digital marketer, whatever you guys want to call it, to 6 figures, pretty much. And that's exactly what this training is about, giving you the 3 secrets. And as we all know, in all of these trainings, they will pitch us something. And not to say that the training isn't valuable. This is highly valuable training, guys. I would go in the training, soak it up, digest it, and start using it and implementing it. But after, they do give you an offer. And the offer that they give us is to join Create Your Laptop Life. And honestly, this isn't bad at all. It's actually really good, especially for the price. It's absolutely ridiculous. So this is a recap of everything that you'll get when you join your Create Your Laptop Life. You'll get proposal secrets. So it's a $997 course, influence masterclass, weekly Q&A calls with Julie. So this is more like a mentorship program when you think about it. So when you join this program, you'll be on every single week asking questions with Julie. And this girl has made 6 figures in internet marketing. She was a coach. She was a coach in the One Funnel Away Challenge. If you guys have gone through it, she's a badass, guys. She's a badass, and she knows her stuff. Also, you guys will join the CYLL, the Create Your Your Laptop Life private community. You guys will also get job opportunities. Look at that. And this job opportunity thing is pretty much for freelancers. Again, this is what the program is around. It's around creating sales funnels, creating ways to get people to get into that sales funnel to sell the product that you're going to sell. And this is good for a lot of people, especially if you're an affiliate marketer. You need to learn how to create good sales funnels and create and convert those people, right? And how to create good looking packages where people will buy them. So that's honestly some benefits of this course. But with particularly talking about the job opportunities part, this is in conjunction with Clickfunnels. So every time somebody goes to I'm not exactly sure how it works, but it's where somebody is looking for a service done, right? They want to hire a freelancer, an internet marketer, and they want to have a funnel built, right? So they're going to send that person that person that needs a job done to you. And from there, you can build the sales funnel. You can build the landing page. You can create the content or whatever it is that they need done for a price. And I saw a testimonial on here, and it was actually pretty badass the way that I saw this. When I saw this. So the bonus, you get another bonus. So you guys get extra master classes and things like that. And it's a total value of $13,482. But you guys can actually get started for just $1. Sweet. Like just literally $1 for 2 weeks. You get paid $1 and have access to all of this. Not to say that you're going to get through all of this in 2 weeks. That's kind of a lot, but you guys can join for $200 for the whole year. You can start getting opportunities, start getting a bunch of ways to create money as a freelance marketer right off the bat. Start learning the skills, or you guys can join for $1 for 2 weeks and then $49 per month after that. But honestly, the one-time offer down here is gold. So this is 12 pre-designed templates that you guys can start using and start selling them and customizing them and selling them to people that come to you guys inside of this program for services as a freelancer. And it's 12, right? 12 pre-designed templates already. And I want to give you guys perspective, because this is for $37. If you guys go to the ClickFunnels marketplace, there's funnels being sold right now for $297, $47, $97, $147. So in this offer, Julie is giving you guys for $37 plus $1 to join. So for $38, she's giving you guys 12 funnel templates. If they were all sold for $97, that's $1,200 in savings in just funnel templates. Now, this is the part where it gets exciting. On the left side, you guys can see that this person is doing a shout out, right? Just a shout out to seeing results within 24 hours of being in the group. I joined yesterday, and I immediately watched the video on how to create package prices and use the spreadsheet as a tool last night to prep for a client meeting I had scheduled for today. I pitched a $3,400 package, and he said Let's do it. Ridiculous. And the only, and I'm assuming, I'm being about, I say 9 out of 10 or 90%. This guy got the upsell and he got those 12 funnel templates and he got them into his account. Because at a ridiculous price of $97, that's insane. And I may or may have not got the $1 and also bought the one-time offer for me. Just saying. But that's gold, guys. Like this is what you're looking at. You're not looking at something that costs $500 or $800. This is just a $200 max program. That's it for a whole year. And you guys have the potential to literally this guy made his money back times, I don't know what that is, like times what, $200, like almost. Yeah, I can't do math right now on top of my head, but he made a good ROI, right? He made over $3,000 in profit from joining this first day. This is day number 1. Not to say that this won't happen to you, right? This might not happen. It could. You might join this, and in your first week, you make all your money back, or you even make profit, or you break even. Who knows, right? But this is the offer, and again, I did buy this. So now let's go inside of the course and let's go into the training and actually see if this is worth it. And let's just dive deep into all this stuff. So first, you're going to go into the welcome. She's going to welcome you inside of the Create Your Laptop Life. And you guys will get a code. I can't show you guys the code to get inside of the membership group, inside of the private group, sorry, because that'd be wrong for me. But you guys will get your CYLL job opportunities. So like I said, you guys will be able to apply into this, the way that this workflow goes, or however they operate it. I haven't looked too much into it. Like I've gone through it, but I need to see how it works exactly. And every single time somebody's looking for a job, for a job to get done, they're going to contact you guys for you guys to go do it. And that's pretty much the intro. You guys get the course for, this is the rest of the course. So proposal secrets, influence masterclass, funnel agency strategy, weekly Q&A coaching with Julie. And this is, again, live. This is live sessions every single week. You guys can jump on. These are not recorded. This video is being shot in May. And as you guys can see, this is second week of May. And in here, we should find the recording of the first week. So there it is. And bonus, starting from 0 series, build your financial foundation, bonus classes and workshops. And these expert interview recordings, I don't think she showed those in there on the landing page. I think this might be like an unadvertised bonus, unless I'm tripping. But yeah, I never saw those in there. So this is an extra bonus. And these by far are the best things that I've seen in this course. For me personally, because this is copywriting, design, money management, storytelling, monetizing, productivity hacks, messenger bots. Guys, this is design and branding. This stuff is gold, honestly. And as you guys can see that I've gone through 2 of these, and I'm loving it. And I'm loving the way that she's organized this entire program, because it's making it so simple to go through and so step by step. It's pretty cool. And to join this for $1, and I would recommend joining getting those funnel templates. So $38 for 2 weeks just to try this out. It's a no-brainer offer, guys. And I have not seen any upsells to anything inside of this course. So that's all you guys really have to pay, max $200. And is it worth it? Hell yeah. And what are the benefits? You guys are going to learn how to become great freelancers, learn how to create funnels, how to create packages, learn how to, influence, how to create just so many things you're going to learn inside of this. And it's revolved, again, like I said, this is revolved freelance marketing, right? Freelance marketing as a whole is around funnels, funnel building, creating landing pages, creating sales copy, showing you guys how to influence. And that's what being a freelance marketer is, internet marketer. And I want to give you guys a special offer. In addition, if you guys do want to join the $38, if you guys want to join again for 2 weeks for $1, and also get these extra funnel templates for $38, or the $200 to $238 if you guys want to buy everything, I want to give you guys an extra $1,500 in bonuses if you guys use my affiliate link. I bought this, and I want to give you guys a value as well if you guys decide to join through my link, making it a win-win for both of us. That's how I live my life, and I want to give this to you guys. So if you guys get started with the link on the next inside of this description of this video, for $38, you guys can get my free Secrets to Success course that normally being sold at $997. You guys will also get my Secrets to Success group. Inside of the Secrets to Success course, what I essentially go through is how to use ClickFunnels, the software. And with those landing pages, guys, these 12 funnel templates, they are on ClickFunnels. So if you guys don't have a ClickFunnels account, I'm also going to link it at the bottom of this video. I would get one, and you can ROI again for whatever your monthly subscription for ClickFunnels is. You guys can join in here, create a landing page, sell it, bam, already cover your ClickFunnels cost. You guys will learn, like I was saying, you guys will learn ClickFunnels inside of this course. I also go inside of the mindset, and I go inside of the success habits. Mindset is a thing that people don't really go in too much. Like there's a difference between motivation and inspiration. I want to help you guys be inspired, and on top of that, I tackle on the fact that people make problems bigger than their goals. And when you make a goal, or when you make an obstacle or a problem bigger than the goal in front of you, or the goal that you want to get, it's impossible to reach it. And that's what we do all the time. And I want to give you guys real strategies, tactics, and things. And I do exercises with you inside of this course on how to stop that from happening in general. There is in no circumstance where your goal should become smaller than the obstacle you're facing. Ever. And that's what I cover inside of this course. And this is just, these are $1,500 worth of bonuses from me. So if you guys do decide to buy the $38, and I want to be clear, not the $1, the $38, because that's when I will make my commission. And I want to give you guys the course as well, get you guys inside the course. I can't wait to see you inside of the private Facebook group. And at the end of the day, is this worth it? Honestly, it really is. This is a great product. Julie did a really awesome she did a really awesome job in putting this into a way where you can consume it and not get overwhelmed. And honestly, I love this. And maybe one day, we'll see who gets the biggest success stories out of this. Cause I guarantee this will start blowing up. This is going to be a product that's going to be very lucrative. And I would not be surprised if, other products like start being inspired like this and have this type of model. Because honestly, I haven't seen products that are this cheap and for this much value. And like, this part still blows my mind. $37 for 12 pre-designed funnel templates. It's ridiculous. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links that I said in this video are going to be in the description. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I can't wait to see you guys on the next one. With that said, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.